Hi, my name is Joshua. I'm with Indigenous POV. You're probably wondering, things are not literally right with the world. And if you've come to that assumption and realize that there is no new normal coming, and you understand some of the things that are happening around you, it's sometimes prudent to get together and start preparing. This Saturday, March the 4th, with Liberty Learn, we are going to be doing a Survive and Thrive community workshop. That means if you're interested in forming a group, or you're wondering how to form a group and how to administrate something like this, please check us out. Right now, we don't know what's going on in the world around us. We are definitely not in any kind of new normal. Things are happening politically, personally, financially, and we have a solution, and the solution is to get together with people within your community. And I've been, encouraging from church groups to clubs to people that just know each other. Let's get together and join us at the workshop for Survive and Thrive community workshop. Come on out, 11 o'clock, Liberty Learn, and yeah, join us. It's also open for questions and answers, and I think we've got a great show for you.